What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be checking out Evan Smith's new part called Sky People Up Jump? Skybird People Up Jump. It's a new part that he just barely put out for Grimble about half hour ago, so we're going to get on this review right away. Evan was born February 4th, 1991, skates goofy, grew up in Orlando, Florida, started skating around 13 years old, so he started pretty late. He got his first sponsor when he was 15, so it only took him 2 years to get sponsored, which is insane. This guy has one of the most raw, pure skateboarding styles out there. If you watch Evan's Instagram or any of his video parts, you'll see a pretty strong, like, psychedelic theme throughout. He's a pretty loose cannon, kind of a hippie dude. Let's check out this part. Told you, the psychedelic vibes. I don't even need to take acid anymore. I just have to watch this intro. Ooh, tall guy, man. Bet he wouldn't sack on most rails, but that was a tall rail. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, the wally off the rock. That's sick. He's wearing sunglasses. Get out of here, dude. He's just wearing sunglasses. Totally chill. He must be on, oh my. He must be on shrooms. I feel like I'm on a trip with him. Okay, so now the skating starts. Yeah, that trick is so dope. Yeah. Yeah, that was sick how he did that. The kickflip in and kickflip out. 2 clips and like meshed them together. Boom. Kickflip stalefish, was it? That park looks sick. In San Francisco, it's a DIY park. Ollied over a homeless dude. That's sick. Yo. Yo. He's one of those guys that he can skate anything. Like, total all-terrain vehicle. He'll find the raddest spot and get like a proper trick on it. Wow. That's Frank Guer. He's like 40 years old. Front 360 heel. Back 360 kickflip. Mason Silva. I love Mason Silva. Huh, there's a lot of guest appearances here. Whoa! 270 nose stall. Nose pick. 270 out. super sick. Ollie over to manual. Yeah, this guy is just a wizard. He just has so much control. He's one of those guys that could just improvise because he's just so comfortable and natural. Backsmith kickflip out of the handrail. Ooh. Kickflip back nose slide to 180 tail slide. He didn't get into skateboarding until he was like 12 or 13, was it? And just took off. It seems like he was prepared to just get on a skateboard and just do it. Really enjoyed that part. Hey bud, come here. Come here. If you like these kind of videos, I'm trying to put them out pretty regularly. So subscribe if you want to see more. If you got anybody that you would like me to do a video about, leave it in the comments below. I'll do some research and put out a video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.